Vishnu. I am reading a book written by Ruskin.
Oh, that's nice. What kind of book does he write?
He writes fiction and non-fiction, but mainly novels, short stories and essays for children. His writing often features in Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and the hilly regions of India.
So, he is an Indian writer, but how does his name sounds like he comes from America?
He holds the dual citizenship from India and from UK. He identifies him as an Indian by birth, but has a strong connection to his British heritage. What is his real name? His real name is Owen Ruskin Bond.
How many books does he written?
He has written over 100 books throughout his career. What award has he won for his writing? I have heard that he has won Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. He has won numerous awards including Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan from the Indian government. He has won the Sahitya Academy Award for his English writing and the John Livingston Memorial Prize in 2010.
I forgot to ask the main question. When does he born and where?
As Stalin said earlier, he is an Indian author of British descent born in May 1934 in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh. You are right, Grace. He was born in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh. But now he lives in Adoor, Missouri with his extended family of 2 adopted children. Now let's end the conversation with some questions.
So, the first question, where was Ruskin born? Yes, that's the right answer, Himachal Pradesh. Second, when was Ruskin born? Yes, that's the right answer, May 19, 1934. What award Ruskin won? Yes, Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. What was his nationality? He is both Indian and American. Okay, thank you.